Dear children, so today's class is natural resources from EVS part, then science part, natural resources. See, our Earth is our planet, Earth is our home planet. It consists of various resources which support life. Earth is our only planet where the life exists. Where the life exists. It is the only planet, it is a home planet, it is our home planet. So it consists essential resources to support our life. For example, water, soil, air, minerals, plants and animals are the resources. So what are the resources? Resources means the things which occur naturally. The things which occur naturally on the earth are called as resources. On the earth is called as resources. Resources means the things which occur naturally on the earth. For example, air, water, forest, soil, minerals, etc. Minerals, etc. Resources means the things which occur naturally on the earth is called as resources. For example, air, water, forest, soil and minerals. So in your textbook, page number 60, so they are given some riddles. First one, you have to write in pencil. Complete these fillings using your pencil. You cannot live without me. Every plant, tree, animal needs me. Nobody can see me. What is the answer for this? Air. A-I-R, air. Second one, I occupy major portion of the earth. I satisfy all your thirst. Thirst means, so during the thirst we need water, no? So I make animals, tree and plant cool. So what is the answer for this? Water. Next, third one, I let you live on me. I let you live on me. I help you grow plants and trees. I support all life on me. So what is the answer? Earth. Earth is the only planet that the life exists. The answer is Earth. E-A-R-T-H, Earth. The fourth riddle, I give fruits and nuts. I spread cooling shades. No life without me. Answer is trees. Vehicles like bus, lorry and car use me to run. Took thousands of years to form me. It forms, so it takes thousands of years to form. From underneath the soil, you extract me. So who am I? That is petroleum products. That is, children, fuels like petrol, diesel, kerosene are called as petroleum products. Petroleum products get from, means it will be extracted from the earth, below the earth crust, under the earth. So it takes thousands of years to make. Next, sixth one is plate, tumbler, vessels are made up of me. Beautiful jewels are made up of me. My bone will be hardened by you. Who am I? Metals, gold, silver, and that is bronze, copper. These are called as metals. M-E-T-A-L-S. The seventh riddle is darkness drives away from me. Bright light comes from me. A source of energy. It is one of the source of energy. What is the answer for this? Yes, sun. So this is the riddle. Write this answer in your pencil. All the fillings in the textbook is done using only by pencil. So let us discuss about the types of renewable resources and non-renewable resources. The resources are classified into two types. First one is renewable resources. Renewable resources. The resources which are available continuously. It will be available on the earth. It will be continuously over a period of time. It will be continuously over the period of human lifetime. It will be available. Means continuously human beings life irovargu adu namu sigta idre renewable resources. It will be available continuously over a lifetime. Continuously available. So for example, solar energy means solar energy gets from sun. Air, water, solar energy, air, water, soil, etc. The resources, resources means the things which occur naturally on the earth. It will be available continuously available over a lifetime of the human beings, are called as renewable resources. Example, solar energy means sun, air, water, soil. Okay children, these are called as renewable resources. Not renewable resources. Non-renewable resources. The resources, the naturally occurring resources, are not available continuously. The naturally occurring resources are not available continuously over a lifetime. It cannot be available continuously because due to the usage of the renewable resources. So ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Means it cannot be available. Means it cannot be available over a long time of the human beings and also the life. Example, coal, petroleum products, petrol, diesel or cooking gas, etc. See children, the resources which occur naturally on the earth. Example, air, water, forest, soil, minerals, etc. So there are two types of resources are there: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources means the resources which we get from the nature or from the earth. It will be provided, means it is available continuously over a lifetime. They are called as renewable resources. Example, solar energy, air, water, soil, etc. Non-renewable resources are which cannot be available, means it cannot be available continuously over a long period of time due to their continuous usage. For example, coal, petrol, cooking gas, etc. This is about the two types of resources. Next one is, so here open your textbook, page number 62. You have to classify the resources into natural resources and non-renewable resources and renewable non-renewable resources. Here some minerals are given here. Coal, I will write in the middle. Iron, petrol, diesel, cooking gas, water, oxygen, forest, gold, wild animals, and solar energy. Read all the minerals occurring from the nature. Solar energy, wild animals, coal, iron, petrol, diesel, cooking gas, water, oxygen, forest, gold. So we have to write the renewable resources and non-renewable resources. See children, solar energy is a renewable resource. Solar energy. Solar energy is a renewable resource, means it gets from the sun. Children, solar energy, it available continuously, means it gets from the sun. Where it gets from? The sun gives heat and light, no? So the solar energy comes under the renewable resource. It can available continuously. Okay children? So that's why it comes under renewable resource. Whereas wild animals also renewable resources. Wild animals, how? Wild animals are comes under the renewable resources because it is a animals are comes under the renewable resources. It get reproduction, it will be get continuously. And then the coal is it cannot be available continuously. So because due to the continuous usage of the some minerals, it cannot be available continuously. So the coals are comes under non-renewable resources. Next one is iron. Iron is a non-renewable resources. It cannot be get continuously. Iron cannot be get continuously. So because we use continuously iron, so iron is comes under non-renewable resources. Petrol. Petrol is a petrol and diesel or comes under the non-renewable resources because it is a petroleum product. It cannot be available continuously because it is a formation. It takes thousands years to form and it cannot be used and means its continuous usage. It cannot available easily. Okay, children? Both diesel and petrol are comes under which resource? Non-renewable resources. Petrol, diesel, and also the cooking gas. For example, LPG. We take LPG. It is also non-renewable resources. So continuous usage of cooking gas. It is also it cannot be available. Okay. The cooking gas also comes under non-renewable resources. Next, water. It can be get continuously. Means it is available continuously. ನಮಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಭೂಮಿಯಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೀರು ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So it is a renewable resources. And oxygen. Oxygen, where we get from the oxygen? We get oxygen from the plants. It is a continuous process. Oxygen is also a renewable resource. Whereas the forest is also a renewable resources. Forest is a renewable resource, and the gold is comes under non-renewable resource because so it is continuous usage of this gold. We cannot get the gold continuously from the earth. Okay, children. So the renewable resources are solar energy, wild animals, water, oxygen, forest. Whereas non-renewable resources are coal, iron, petrol, diesel, cooking gas, gold. The non-renewable resources which cannot available continuously on the earth because due to the usage, continuous usage of these minerals, it cannot be available for the future also. So these renewable resources are available naturally, means it will be available continuously on the earth. Next, the concept is solar energy. Solar energy. So, where we get the solar energy? So, from sun. Sun gives us heat and light. Heat and light. Sun gives us heat and light. So, the energy get from the sun is called as solar energy. The energy get from the sun is called as solar energy. Energy get from the sun is called solar energy. Children, the solar energy means the energy get from the sun is called as solar energy. Sun gives us heat and light. Sun gives us heat and light. So some of the uses of solar energy. Open your textbook 63. You have to fill the activities done using the solar energy. So after that we have to discuss some uses. See, the plants prepare their own food. You know, last year, you know the definition of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means light. Photo means light. Sun gives us heat and light. Photo means light. The plants prepare their own food. Children, last year 4th standard you learned this one. Photosynthesis. The plants prepare their own food using sunlight. They prepare means plants prepare their own food. Their own food using sunlight. Using sunlight. So the process, you know that photosynthesis. Plants prepare the food by using light. That is sunlight is called as photosynthesis. Here also the solar energy is using in this process. That is the photosynthesis process. Here some activities done using this solar energy. You have to write in your pencil. I will write some examples. You have to add and write the examples in this page number, in the fillings of this page number 63. Some activities are, you know, the solar cooker. Solar cooker is means cooker, you know, solar cooker. So solar cooker, solar heater, cell charger, solar cell charger, solar chimneys, solar cell phones, solar powered fans, and also some of the solar dryer also using the solar energy. Solar light also available, so they will get charge from the sunlight. These solar cooker, solar heater, others are get charge from the sun. Okay children, so and then it use the sunlight and provide us light, powered fan, charger, dryer, heater, and also it will be used in the cooker also. Write these examples and including your examples you have to write in the column the 6 solar energy in the page number 63. Here you have to write the examples. I will tell you know. So for example, solar cooker, solar dryer, solar cell phone, solar charger, solar powered fan, and solar chimneys, solar heater, dryer also. In the solar cooker, the energy get from the sun, that is the light energy is converted into heat energy. The sunlight energy is converted into heat energy, and then the food is boiled. Is it right? And when compared to the solar heater, everyone know that the light energy is converted into heat. The water gets heat, boils. It will be boiled. Means boiled water comes from under the pipes. Means it get from the light, that is sunlight. And then the solar powered fans and also other electrical appliances are get from the light energy. The light energy is converted into electrical energy. So electrical energy, that is using the powered fans, it may be other mixers and other home appliances also using the light energy into electrical energy. Then the cell phone chargers. So the chargers means the light energy is converted into electrical energy and then it will be charged. The chargers are charged, and then the other chimneys also it will be helpful from the solar energy. Dear children, last class we learned about resources. There are two types of resources, renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources and non-renewable resources. So renewable resources means, so resources we get from the earth, it will be available continuously. They are called as renewable resources. Example, solar energy, soil, water, forest, etc. Whereas non-renewable resources are available which are not available continuously due to the usage, due to the continuous usage. For example, petrol, natural gas, coal, etc. See, last class we learned about the solar energy. Solar energy means what is solar energy? How will we get the solar energy? So the solar energy we get from the sun. The sun gives us heat and light. The uses of solar energy are, it is used in the solar cooker, solar heater, solar power fans. Means here we use the solar energy. Solar energy means the light energy is converted into other heat, electrical and other energies. Okay children. So let us discuss about the soil. The next renewable resources is soil. Soil also renewable resources like solar energy and also the water. The top layer of the earth, we are live on the earth now. So the top layer of the earth is soil. The top layer of the earth is soil. Where we live on the earth now, so we see the small particles of the soil. So how the soil is formed? Soil is formed from the weathering of rocks. Weathering of rocks due to heat, it may be rainy or water and other natural factors and also the human factors. Soil is formed by the weathering of rocks. Weathering of rocks andre rocks ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಂಡೆಗಳಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಆ ಬಂಡೆಗಳೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು the factors like it may be heat, water and then other natural factors, it get into the small parts of the soil. The soil is formed by the weathering of rocks. We are live on the soil. The soil gives the shelter to the plants. Plants are grown on the soil. It gives water and also the minerals. The plants get water and minerals from the soil. Soil helpful for the plants and also the human beings. They will get water and also salts required to prepare their own food. Plants, they will need water and other mineral salts from the soil to grow healthy. So this is the basic of the soil. You know the layers, some layers of the soil is there. Top layer, sub rock and bedrock is there. So there are some 3 layers, but we are live on the top layer of the soil. Okay children, we are live on the top layer of the soil. Soil is very essential for the human beings also. So what are the uses, what are the activities done by the soil? Mannu. Soil, use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So we get agriculture, it is used in the agriculture. How? So we get food from the agricultural field. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಇಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು agricultural products ನ ನಾವು ಬೆಳಿತೀವಿ. And also we need shelter. For that we build the buildings. In buildings we use soil. And also some other potteries ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮಡಿಕೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಮಣ್ಣನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. And also the soil is also used in the medicinal purposes. Okay children, medicinal purposes and also some beauty products. So the main activities, page number, open your page number 64. You have to fill the activities. Okay children, so I will explain some examples. You have to add and write the examples made by the soil. Agriculture, buildings, pottery, medicinal purposes, beauty products, etc. Soil, how the soil is formed? By the weathering of rocks. We are live on the top layer of the soil. And also the plants get nutrition, minerals, salts, water from the soil to grow healthy. Okay children, some examples you have to write in your textbook. The next concept, the next renewable resources is forest. Forest gives a shelter to the wild animals and also some birds. Is it right? The forest is the renewable resources. It gives a shelter to wild animals and the birds. They provide food for the animals and also the birds. So rich forest gives us rich oxygen to the human beings also. So we get some of the uses from the forest like wood, food, fruits, medicinal plants, etc. Okay children, so the examples for the forest usage activities are food, fruits, medicinal plants and also wood. For the constructions of buildings we need furniture, no children? So for that we use the plant products like trees. Okay children, bamboo, like that we need furniture from the trees. So these are some of the examples we are using the, and also some shelter purposes we use the wood or trees. Furniture, medicinal plants, fruits, and also rubber also we get from the trees. Rubber. So these rubbers are get from the forest. So these are the basic uses, activities you have to write in the next page of your textbook. textbook, and 56, page number 56, you have to write other the activities. I will explain some examples now. Add some examples and write in your textbooks. And also some